Before we get started, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Rise and slay. So I'm starting with my primer to apply it all over my face. Now I'm using my color corrector to cancel out any darkness or blemishes. Now using my setting spray, using my setting spray again, using my two foundations and applying it to my face. Now using my setting spray, using my foundation brush to blend everything out. Now using my highlight cream and applying it under my eyes, to my forehead, my cupid's bow, and to my chin, and blending all of it out. Now I'm using my contour cream, contour my cheekbones, my temples, and down the sides of my nose, and blend it all out. Now I'm using my highlight setting powder and setting under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to use my highlight cream and highlight the bridge of my nose. I'm blending out the sides so that everything is nice and blended. And then using my setting powder and setting the bridge of my nose. Now I'm using my contour powder and contouring the rest of my face and applying the powder to my cheekbones, my temples, and to the sides of my nose, and also my jawline. Now I'm using my face setting powder and setting my entire face. Now using my setting spray just to rehydrate my skin. And now it's time for the eyes. So I'm trying to create this eye that I already have done off camera. And I want it to be just like this. Using my highlight cream and carve out under my brow. Now I'm going to drag the product down. And apply the rest of it onto my lid. Now I'm using my highlight powder and setting my brow bone. Now using my Baked Browns Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, using the color Outdoorsy. And I'm applying it directly into my crease and blending it out. Now using Cherry Wood and going right on top of that and blending it out as well. Using Rock Bottom and apply it all over my lid. Using Cherry Wood and blending out the edges of the brown shade. Using the color Outdoorsy and blending it out. Now I'm curling my lashes. Now using my mascara. Using G by T lashes in the style Bella. Now using my eye pencil and applying it directly into my waterline and on my bottom lash line. Now using Rock Bottom and pressing it onto my lash line and then blending it out. Now using Cherry Wood and going below that and blending that out. Now using my mascara and applying it to my bottom lashes. Now using my lipstick as a lip liner and lining my lips. Using my liquid lipstick, applying it to the center of my lips. And now adding my gloss on top of that. Rise and slay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's connect.